Customer is class 455, shortly arriving towards Dorking, Boxer, West London. This train's from London Waterloo to Dorking. This train would normally pass them by here as well, but this one now stops here now. These days too. So it's 11 minutes past out for the South Western Railways, and it's 37 minutes past it's going to Horsham services. So what I'm going to do is go away for the Horsham bound train too, and then eventually I think that's just about it for today. I think. And also you can keep an eye on these destination boards so you won't have to worry about what time your train leaves. In a wet, windy day. I can't believe why players did that, you know, forcing people to tell them what people want to do, you know. Like he got sent for, especially his attitude he did. Oh, there you go. There he comes now. I'll always start filming just until this moment so we can show the departure board so we can see what time the trains depart for their journeys to their destinations on time as well. The reason I'm here, I just want to catch up these 455s, you know. There you go. There you go. I wish. Yeah, if I call my mum next time, I tell her I've got a job. I'm so relieved. There goes 455 now. There you go, the big car train. This is from Waterloo to Dorking now. It does take a while to speed up its pace. I suppose Box Hill is not far from Dorking. Yeah, there's a yellow. This one's busy, it means they have to wait for the line to be clear. Yeah.